Today, I will introduce our YJ-06 to you, the operating specification and precautions of this machine. First, connect the dry ice tube. Our standard for this dry ice tube is a 3-meter dry ice tube. The joint of the dry ice pipe is screwed into the joint of the machine and tightened. There is a gap in this air plug. This gap needs to be aligned with the gap in the machine. Plug it in. Not tightening. This is our special handgun. This gun has a light. We have two kinds of gun heads. One is the flat head, one is the round head. Depending on your usage scenario, arbitrary configuration, put the gun head. Screw into the muzzle. This is our trachea. The standard trachea length is 3 meters. First, this trachea connector needs to be inserted into the machine hole. This end should be plugged tightly at the interface of the gas production line. It is important to note here that our trachea is 16 millimeters. The other diameter is 16 millimeters. Immediately, the thickness of the main pipe must be greater than this 16 millimeters. Otherwise, it won't flow enough air pressure, causing the machine to work abnormally. A thin trachea like this is not allowed. Plug in the leakage protection plug. It protects when the yellow button is pressed. Press the lower button again and it starts. Press the start switch. This is the emergency stop switch. When the emergency stop switch is pressed and the machine stops, turn right and the emergency stop switch pops out and starts. This is an area where the amount of ice is regulated. The two buttons above cannot be moved. There is also a yellow label here, which has also been marked. I had set it up before leaving the factory. This is the button to adjust the amount of ice. What about adjusting the amount of ice? The ice output of this machine is from 0 to 0. It depends on the effect of your guest's cleaning. What is the adjustment size of the ice output? This is a barometer. The lowest working pressure for this machine is 300 billion MPa. Now we add dry ice. What about this incubator? It was made by one of our listed companies. Its average daily evaporation rate is 5%, 70% dry ice for a week. When adding dry ice, you must not hold it with your hands. Prevent frostbite. Be sure to use a special shovel. Open the lid. Load dry ice into the machine. Close the lid. Pay special attention when adding dry ice to this. You can't add too much at one time. Do not exceed 5 kilograms each time. It has both vibration and stirring functions. Vibration and stirring function to prevent freezing during use. Close the lid and it turns. When you open the lid, it stops. There is an emergency protection. Press the button to hold the gun. This is the button to adjust the air pressure. When adjusting the air pressure, turn right to increase air pressure. Turn left to lower the air pressure. This is a blow switch utilization thing. That is, when used for a long time. Only use it when there is ice blocking. You can't open this blow frame in normal times. When operating, turn the switch to the right. Open the gun. 20 seconds at a time. Go back again. It can work normally. If you blow every half hour. When the pour ice button is turned on, dry ice will come out of the machine. Close button.